We are offering services for commercial washing machines, steam irons, geysers, and air conditioners. Professional appliance service and repairs. Is your business equipment slowing you down? Let us help. We specialize in installation, maintenance, and repair of commercial washing machines. Keep your laundry business running smoothly. Steam irons, perfect presses every time. Geysers, hot water when you need it. Air conditioners, stay cool and comfortable. Why choose us? Experienced technicians, quick turnaround time, affordable pricing, genuine spare parts. Call us today at 620-62 59300. Get back to business with appliances that work like new. वाणिज्यिक वॉशिंग मशीन की मरम्मत, ड्रम, पंप, मोटर समस्याएं, स्टीम आयरन फिक्स, हीटिंग तत्व, स्टीम आउटपुट, व्यवसायों के लिए तेज प्रतिक्रिया, समय भविष्य में होने